Hello everybody, welcome to Saturday. Good old Saturday. Yeah, with Casey boy. Well, the wind is a little up today. I'll do my best to try to keep my back. Well, it was actually warmer this morning at 6 a.m. than it is right now. It's pretty cold out right now. I was saying about -2. This morning it was, I think, +3. So it's getting colder. That can only mean one thing. Winter's not over. Hey, Casey boy? I don't know, I think we got about another week or so left of the mess. And then probably, or even 2 weeks, then probably we'll start seeing temperatures change. Most likely. We're doing the neighborhood walk today. Normally we go that way. Today, I'll go for the neighborhood walk. Sometimes he's in a hurry, and then there's other times he likes to take his time. So if he does that, I take my time with him. Anybody? Oh, you don't want to. He's like, what's that? Oh boy. Well, there's that wind I was telling you about. There's a dog that lives here. Come on. You'd go right in there, wouldn't you? You're funny. Let's cross the street. Come on. Attaboy. He's funny. Come on. Funny boy. Look in the snow. Starting to get a little bit chilly out now. It was warmer this afternoon. It's kind of cold right now. It's supposed to go up to about -10 tonight. Oh, will you stop doing that? Come on. Don't be licking. Must have smelled that place, that little spot, a million times. Come on, you. Well, the snow is almost gone. There's a lot more snow here yesterday than there is today. Got two geese over there. Guess if it was just one, I don't know if it would be goose. Not sure what that is. Doesn't look healthy. It's always a little messy down here. Well, somebody's freezing their butt off. Well, there used to be a garbage can here, but that doesn't stop anybody from dumping their trash. Yeah, all this snow is gone. Go this way, dude. Hmm. Kind of doing this different today. So we'll do like short little videos of every walk. So we did, I think it was 2 videos this afternoon. Well, this is his dinner walk. He's on to something here. So this is his little dinner walk. It's usually a shorter walk than his afternoon. We didn't do one this morning. I was half asleep. Well, soon this will all be a garden. People rent plots here and they grow their food. Looking for mice. Don't you dare find one. Mr. Dirty Paws. Look at your head stuck in there. What you looking for? A mouse? I think you're hearing things. Huh? Casey boy? I think you're hearing things. Such a funny boy. I'll let him do this. It helps train his focusing abilities. Can't constantly interrupt your dog when he's in the middle of stuff, because then they'll never learn how to focus. Never. So you let them do their thing. I've seen most people walking their dogs and oh, come on, bud. There's lots of sharp things there. I don't want you stepping on any of that. Holy crap. Look at that. That's got to change. That really has to change. You see that? Really, seriously. And that, right there, that building, is a public school. This is where children play. And that there is a sign of trouble. So I'll have to call the school Monday morning and let them know that that's there. Thank God there's one man on the planet that's fighting that. One man, only one man. Well, him and whoever, but one man is fighting that. And he's got my support 110%. Used to come here with Dabby. This is where she got her big sticks. She dragged her big sticks home. Like that one right there, as a matter of fact. You know what? She's tried to take this thing home. I'm amazed it's still here. Huh. Yes, that probably was one of the last ones Dabby tried to drag home. Kind of a bit sad to see. kind of sad to see. You know what else we saw here with Dabby? A white-tailed squirrel. It was like one of the coolest things I've ever seen. And saw him that day, never saw him after that. Where you want to go, though? Go down there? Alright. Oh, I don't want you to go there because you get your feet all dirty and muddy. Oh, you're going to do it anyway. Well, it doesn't look that bad. Except for right there. Let's see if I can get him up. Come on up here, buddy. There you go. It's up here. Attaboy. I don't want you to go down in there. He's wanting to go into the mud. Now you can go down in there. Yeah, I miss Dabby. She was an awesome dog. Thinking about getting another one. English bulldog. I didn't really get to spend much time with Dabby before she left us. 2 years maybe. 2 and a bit. Really, we were just getting to know each other. And I had to put her down. Cancer is a bad thing. I had to put 2 dogs down for cancer. Hello, folks. Well, this is how we end off the day. So all this snow fell just in a few hours. Guess we're still at Saturday. This is our last walk of the evening. It's cold. About -6 Celsius. This is our normal walk. It's a powdery snow. I can't believe all this fell in just a few hours. Whew. What are you doing, silly? Come on. Come on. Wow. It'll be interesting to see what we have in the morning. Come on, Junior. Don't like them to go in the bushes. That's where the skunks are. Well, it's still coming down pretty good. That should be interesting. Whew. It's a winter wonderland. Mr. Sniffy here. Has to sniff everything. Oh. Zoom. It's actually pretty slippery under this snow. I've almost slipped twice. But yeah, it's about 11 o'clock right now. PM. last walk before bedtime. I like to wait as late as I can. Sometimes he pulls me out at 10. But I like to try to make him wait until 11. Oop. Confusing me there, Junior. Keeps going on the other side. You make up your mind. Well, that's it for us. Have a great night, everybody. And we'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like our video.